up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have a Walmart beauty box. I wish I can tell you guys which season this is for, but I have honestly no idea because I haven't received one. I don't remember getting a summer one. I don't remember getting a fall one, and I'm not sure if they have a winter one or however that works or whatever, but I thought it was a seasonal box. I don't remember getting any of the other two, so I have no idea which one they've sent to me. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, guys, so, here's my box. So for those of you who are not familiar with the Walmart beauty box, the price did go up. They took $7.50 out of my account, I think, for this box, which is not bad. I think it's 100% worth the value at $7.50. It used to be a $5 box, but it's gone up a couple dollars and some odd cents since then. But I honestly 100% still feel that it's worth it. And if you guys are interested in getting this box, it is a seasonal box, and I will have a link in the description box below. All right, guys, let's pop her open. There it is. Here's what it looks like. And I'm not sure if this little card here is going to tell me what season I got or not. The weather outside might be frightful, but our selection of super hydrating skincare and more is just so delightful. So this is, it says to tag hashtag Walmart Beauty Box to share your look. All right. So it doesn't really tell me. I'm guessing this is winter then, since they're talking about the weather outside might be frightful, right? Okay, so they have various different products that you could receive. I'm not really sure what's going to be in my box, so let's see what they put in here. All right, guys, let's start here. CoverGirl Exhibitionist, a 24-hour kohl eyeliner. It says it's long wear. It looks like it's a gold color, gold metallic. All right, that's super fun. I will definitely give that a go. I'm not mad at that at all, actually. So that's pretty cool. We'll give that a go. All right, so what do we got here? A Retinol Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum. I'm down for that. You get one capsule. That is great, though. I'm excited to try it. And I just forgot to look at that other one. So you can tell I haven't unboxed in a little while. I have been like on a little bit of a hiatus. But let's see. The eyeliner, it is a full-size product. And the value for it is $7.94. The serum obviously is a sample. Oh, that says it's full size. Oh, no, it doesn't say it's full size. They're letting you know what the full size cost is. So I'm guessing this is a full size product though. But if you wanted to get the wrinkle repair full size is $26.97 for a 30 count. So it is kind of pricey, but hopefully it works well. We'll have to see. Ooh, I love how they secured this in a little plastic bag. I do that all the time, guys, when I mail stuff out because I'm so worried stuff is going to break and leak. What do we got here? We got Sukin Original Hydrating Mist Toner, Chamomile and Rose. All right, it says it's for all skin types and everything. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but I don't know if I'll actually use it. It's 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces. So how much is it? Oh, $9.99. So the full size is 4.2 ounces for $9.99. So, I mean, the price isn't bad. I don't know, guys. I may or may not use it. If I don't, I'll just put it in a future giveaway. Okay, what do we got here? We have Arc Rival Brow Artist Pencil and brown. So this is definitely going in a giveaway because as you guys can see, I have very black eyebrows and eyelashes. So that's not going to work for me. Is this on here? That's awesome. I do not see it on here. No, I don't see it on here. So, oh, wait. Lodi London Brow Pencil. Oh, it's $6.98. Okay, so it just looks different on here because I called it something else. Because I looked at where it said the big print said Arc Rival, but apparently it's Lottie, Lottie. London is the name of the brand. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. So we have Gold Bond Pure Moisture Daily Body and Face Lotion. All right, guys, I'm not mad at that at all. I would definitely use that. Clearly, that is a sample size product. And the full size for this bad boy is $4.97 for 5.5 ounces. And this is a 1 ounce sample. So not bad. I'll definitely use that. I'll stick it in my purse or whatever. What is this? Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier, Cellular Transport Technology. All right, so this is a drink mix in the flavor of strawberry. Not sure if I'll use it or not. So the full-size version is $8.98 for a 6 count. I definitely won't be buying anymore, that's for sure, unless it makes me feel amazing. So it's saying get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix tastes great and contains 5 essential vitamins. All right, I might give it a try, I might not. If I don't, I'll just give it to my sister or something. All right, so what do I have here? Boss Bounce Light as Air Buildable Styling Cream. Okay, so here is this product. I can tell you right now, I definitely will not use this. So this is either going to go in a future giveaway, or I will give it to someone in my family that might be able to use that. But that product, full-size version, is $9.98. Is this the full size? I doubt it. No, this is 3.4 ounces, and the full size is 16 ounces. So guys, this was not bad. For $7.50, I still think I got a really great value. I just wish that I was able to use most of the products in the box, but it's okay. I can totally give them away as gifts or put them in future giveaways. So if you guys are not familiar with the Walmart Beauty Box, I will have a link in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.